Customer states there's a wind noise coming from the sunroof area. I think there might be a water leak also. Uh-oh, that ain't a good sign. Ooh! Looks like they punched through it. It's like caved up. What the? How angry were you to do that? Or what was in the car trying to get out? Oh, Detail's gonna hate us. But now we can replace just that glass. It's just when we move it, it's probably gonna rain glass down on us. But it's fixable. I really want to know the story on how it happened, though. What? Oh my God, man. Like, how do you do that? That's a pretty strong piece of glass. Whatever, man. Hopefully none of this stuff is scratched.